about to start on the shed. Welcome back! Finally making a little bit of headway. It's been very stressful because this evening I've had to take this drill apart because it wasn't working properly. Fixed it. I couldn't believe that I fixed it. Are you filming that? I've been on this for 3 days now. I've only done a few hours a couple of nights, but I am making progress, which is positive. There's been a bit of a dilemma tonight. I've been trying to put these battens on the wall below. Now I have done this, but Oscar, I need you to keep it up there.
We can't see, but no one can see what
Okay,
you're talking about.
Move it forward then. Move it forward then.
Maybe I'm best just standing in that corner.
The thing is, I've been doing this tonight. I've been doing like a little bit each night, and admittedly it isn't going very quickly. I thought I'd be done in about 3 days, but if you look around us, it's still an absolute tip. I can't do anything with that until I've done something with this. So this evening I've put on the battens along the back here, but I've done them on the lower shelf. The lawnmower is going to go in there on rails, I'm thinking. This is going to be the first shelf of camping gear. There's going to be a whole rack full of camping gear here. And then I'm just going to put on another worktop, which I've already cut to size, which is going in here. The problem I've had this evening is this drill. I've had it for about 10 years. It's been working okay until recently. I don't know where it's from. I don't know what, but
Dodgy brand.
It's a dodgy brand, as Oscar says. It's made by Performance. Who knows what that is? But I fixed it. I couldn't believe it. I took it apart, undid all these screws. I fixed it, fixed the wiring, got it back together, turned it on. It did work, but now it isn't working.
At least it looks like a cool machine gun.
It does look like.
Can I go?
So as you can see, it can be used for all kinds of things. So that's that. Now, what I'm going to do next is put the... I'm pretty pleased with progress tonight. That's what I've been doing tonight. Just seeing me down there, doing that. And it seems to have turned out all right. I'm quite pleased with myself. So the next step is doing the rest of this shelving under here. And sanding this down so it looks like that on the edge there. And then giving it some kind of oiling. I've still got to get a vise. Not sure I'm going to get that from. I presume it's going to be somewhere like eBay or something like that, or Gumtree or something, because I don't really want to buy a brand new one. But then I'm open to suggestions. I've got to sort this pile out next. This has just got to. I've got to do something with it. It's got to go. I mean, this is camping gear, right here, and I'm thinking, yeah, it works. Look at that. That's the first bit of kit I've actually put in there. It's only 2 deck chairs, but they fit perfectly. So this is the end of tonight, and hopefully I'll see you next soonish. I don't know how many parts it's going to be, but just had an accident on the way to doing this, and that was I was getting a big suitcase out of the loft, and I turned my back on it for a minute, and it fell all the way down the stairs, and it put a big hole in the plasterboard wall, which is not good. So I'm in the doghouse. I've got to fix that first, and then crack on with the shed. Started filming in 2017, just doing little bits, little projects here and there, and these videos that I'm uploading are backdated
but there's a journey. Some of them you may be interested in, some of them you may not, and it seems to have got better with my DIY skill. Hopefully there's something here for you to watch, something of interest, something where it's not a house necessarily, but it's just building aspects of life. That's it. Hope you enjoy.
Slightly frustrating, but we'll get there in the end. Perseverance is the key. This bench is done. I've just got to do a few more bits, but I can't redo that until I've sorted this lot out here. So this is what the plan is today. Get all this out, get it all clear again, get it out onto the lawn. It'll be clear by the end of the day. And then sort it, process it, get on with it.
I've got some little helpers helping me with this bit. Next stop, B&Q, just looking at storage options. I'm not too sure what to get, but this is 15 quid for the back, and then these ones are £1 each, so or I can get that and have a couple of quid change, so I think I'm going to go for this one, to be honest. Well, we've been to B&Q, got the storage, getting on, making steady progress, slow but steady. A halfway clear downstairs, well, this is pretty much most of it gone. I've got a granite worktop here which I was going to use it on the workbench, but I've decided not to. I'm going to sell that. Got these wheels here which are from a go-kart project which I haven't actually done yet, but I am going to that's going to be a project this year. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do yet, but they're going to be an amazing cool project, so watch this space for that. And then that side's filled up. It looks like I've just moved out from this side to that side, but I haven't. Making very good progress actually. The stairs now clear, floor is getting there. Now what seems to have happened is I've got all the stuff down from upstairs and it's filled everything down here. But it is a process, clearing, sorting, putting stuff in new areas. Like I seem to keep going on about this, but the camping shelves are now full of camping gear, but they look terrible. But I had to put them somewhere because I've had to clear upstairs. So let's go and have a look upstairs. Come on. There we go, up the stairs. And then you can just see it's a bit of a tip up here as well. But it's a very cool space. And I'll give you a little tour of it once it's done. Point where most of the clearing and sorting is done. It's just a load of junk still there, still have to be sorted, so I'm going to do that now. Well, here we are in the upstairs of the shed. It's only sort of just high enough to stand up in. I'll just give you a little view, but the majority of it is clear. Oscar out there. I'm done. That's Oscar. I'm going to have to create another shed somewhere else in the garden to keep all that stuff. Anyway.
Hey YouTube, what's up?
I'm back and it's Tuesday. The following week. We've been on this shed literally for 5 minutes. We've been on it 2 weeks officially, but this the second attempt at doing some stuff in here. But what we're going to do now is carry on making down here. As you can see under here, I've got this battening along the top wall. I've got to do another level of that further down, so it is in level with this on the far side. Then we're going to put the shelves in, and then we're going to carry on doing what we need to do. We are just trying to do a bit of DIY together, aren't we?
Yeah.
With Timmy, as you can see, the Jacker Chub, hello Timmy, and we are going to do some work together and then see what it looks like.
So
And then
yesterday
show
I
you
got
guys.
sand in my eyes, didn't I, Dad?
I got sand in Bella's eyes recently, and she fell over on a sand dune, didn't you? And we're not going to do that again.
Nope.
Getting there.